What's good, future millionaires? We back with another banger. Hey, y'all know we back with Bernard.Finance. This time around, we will be reviewing the barrel Bernard.Finance. I'm not gonna lie, y'all. Since we did Bernard.Finance and we checked out Burn, I had to come check out Barrel. I told y'all in that last Bernard.Finance video that I will be coming to check out Barrel, and I have, and I like what they got going on, so I decided we should be bringing a video to the channel. So let's check it out. So you want to come to Bernard.Finance, and remember, they have 2 tokens right now. So already they got their ecosystem, you know what I'm saying, going. They have the Bernard token, and then they have the Barrel finance token. If y'all haven't seen my Bernard token video, make sure y'all check that out. And I almost forgot, man, salute to everybody that's rocking with the channel, man. This is a major video because on this video, you know, we are at 10,000 subscribers officially. So salute to everybody that's been rocking with us, man. You know, it happened very fast. This is only the beginning, you know what I'm saying? So make sure y'all stay down for the come up. Also, we have a lot of new things coming to the channel. Y'all will be seeing this whole thing upgraded very soon. That's all I was waiting for was the 10K mark. But I got those interviews coming up with one of the subscribers that made $20,000 in 1 week. Also, another a student of mine that took my course and made $20,000 in 1 day. Those interviews will be coming. So we made that mark, y'all. Congratulations. We doing lots of giveaways. Follow me on Twitter at DecemberDeMarco. Make sure you follow me on Twitter. You do not want to miss what's going on over there. Also, follow my Facebook group. I normally show you it in the video, but we just gonna jump right into this one. But the name of it is Private Stock Market Game. We are almost at 5,000 members. I believe we are at exactly about 4,200 active investors. Trust me, you do not want to miss it. We're giving out free 99 plays over there, just like this play right here. And I'm telling you, we making people a lot of money over there. People making man, it's crazy. People making over $100,000 in that group. It's wild, y'all. So check this out, Barrel.Finance. So a community hyper deflationary token boosted by algorithmic trading. For y'all that don't know, it's something called high frequency trading. A lot of for y'all that trade stocks and things like that, those things aren't traded. It's not a human, or they're not traded by a human. So it's not a person on the other end clicking a button, buying and selling. It's all an algorithm that has it programmed to buy and sell at different points. That is pre-programmed based on certain decisions. Okay, has this price increased? Has this volume increased? Has it decreased? Are more people you know, is it oversold? Things like that. And you can plug these different suggestions, or if that then this, you know, protocols into these algorithms, and the algorithm will follow that. And that's how people are basically trading without the human interaction. It removes the emotional standpoint. A lot of, if you're not familiar, they're called trading bots. A lot of people are developing bots that will trade for you automatically. For y'all that don't know, I'm working on one myself. For y'all that are in my private stock market group and crypto group, y'all would know that already if y'all are some of the OGs, but that's coming very soon. Also, my book is available in the description section on Amazon right now. Go check that out. Also, merch is in there. Almost $2,000 in free stocks. Go check that out. Sign up for Webull. You have to deposit $100. You don't have to spend it. Just put it in, take it out, and if you get lucky enough, you can get that. So real simple. I like the website. It's clean. It's simple, very simple, but it's clean, and you know, it's intriguing. You know, it makes you want to know more about it. You know, it's not something so basic where it makes you want to overlook it. It just pulls you in just enough to make you like, okay, what is this? So what is Barrel? Bringing upward buy pressure via massive and automized buybacks on the Bernard.Finance ecosystem. So remember that. What do we hear with the shiba swap going on? You know, they have a whole ecosystem over there. So this might be something, you know what I'm saying, y'all want to connect those dots on. That's what I like to show y'all. So project will revolve around an algorithm trading account provided by GanyMeadToken.com. So let's pull this up because I haven't heard of this. I'll be honest, I haven't looked into this one. So GanyMeadToken.com, which gains will transform into buybacks and compound interest. That is wild, y'all. That sounds revolutionary to me. So when I look for new tokens, I try to look for, is it a new technology? Is it something revolutionary that hasn't been seen before? Is it a new use case? Is it, you know, is it just revolutionizing the industry as a whole? You know, will everybody mimic this technology or this new strategy that they're coming with? And this is something that I believe we can start seeing a lot, with beginner traders that don't want to take the risk, especially with crypto being so volatile. You being able to invest in a token that has a bot that will trade for you safely based on an algorithm that is, tested and proven, because they're not just releasing these algorithms without testing them. For y'all that are familiar with it, y'all know these algorithms get, they run tests thousands, and thousands of times automatically through computer software to basically know that these algorithms will work for the most part. So combined with this unique feature, a 10% tax is applied on every sale of Beryl. Every sale of Beryl. 40% goes to marketing to increase visibility of the project. Now, y'all know I always like to say that these tokens need to have a marketing budget. I don't know why these tokens take pride in not having a marketing wallet. That doesn't make sense to me, because you could have the best tokenomics, you could be the best crypto on the planet, but if you don't have enough money to get the word out about you, then you won't go anywhere. Especially if you can't harness the momentum of a community. So I think this one is very interesting so far. So let me run that back. Combined with this unique feature, a 10% tax is applied on every sale of Beryl. 40% goes to marketing to increase visibility of the project, and 60% is used to buy back Beryl tokens. Come on now, y'all, connect the dots. That is fire. 40% is used for marketing and 60% is used to buy back more tokens, and they're burning those tokens. So think about it like this. Of that tax that's being charged on the sale whenever somebody tries to dump, that's cool, because what did they do? They just funded the marketing wallet. They just funded more potential buyers or investors into the project. That's a small price to pay for the increased visibility. Y'all got to think of it from a Fortune 500 standpoint. For y'all, a lot of y'all that don't know, I'm a Fortune 500 marketer, and I'm just taking my knowledge and information from the corporate worlds and bringing them over here to the stocks and crypto market. So I want y'all to connect these dots. So this will be a very big buyback feature. This is gonna be fire. So the more weekends sell, the more holders get rewarded with a price increase of the token. This is what we call Pump Economics by Bernard.Finance. I like the sound of that. Pump Economics. I like a nice pump up. And automatically built into the token. How can we, beat that? Especially when it's funding itself. It has self-sustainability already involved in it. That's something that's very important, because putting that burden of financially supporting or financially putting the money towards marketing, putting that burden on the community, I don't think that's the wisest thing to do for a strong, thriving token. That should be automatically built into it. So some of the pre-sale metrics, we're already out of pre-sale. The pre-sale was just on the 5th, if I'm not mistaken. So 300,000 tokens of Beryl will be available on pre-sale. Remember, this already happened. So this was June 21st. Okay, the pre-sale ended, I believe, on the 5th, on July 5th. So it was available. You had to join through the Telegram. There is a 6-month vesting with a release every other 2 weeks, starting at launch month 1. Limit per person is set to 10K. Our goal is to raise 200,000. Pre-sale funds to be splitted as such: 100,000 for liquidity pool on pancakeswap, 100,000 for algorithmic trading account on FTX. 100,000 tokens of Beryl will be publicly available on pancakeswap at a launch price of $1 the 5th of July. So people who got in on the first day, they have already 4x their investment, from if we're looking at it where the chart is right now. So if you started off and you got in this at $1, nice work. So really, that doesn't, this is the pre-sale is already over with, so I don't got to worry about that. But a robust and community brand new DeFi token. Beryl is a BEP20 utility token that will allow you to get exposure to decentralized finance and quantitative algorithmic trading, usually reserved to professionals, through a strategy that is safe. Liquidation risk does not exist. Sustainable, so that's just like I said, it's self-sustainable. It has steady growth over quick gains. That's something that's very important. Something can shoot straight to the moon, but you can pretty much say that project, after it pulls back, after it has a correction, you can pretty much say, it'll be there for a while. So profitable. We want to use market inefficiencies to our benefit and therefore act as a store of value. That's going to be fire, y'all. So on top of that, the price growth will be sustainable by the buyback program. and the compound interest provided by the algorithmic trading account. Bernard.Finance will use the daily generated profits by the trading algorithm account on the FTX to turbocharge the ecosystem through our incredible buyback program. We will renounce the Barrel ownership smart contract right after launch, and the liquidity pool will be locked. So, you know, they're not going anywhere. This is not a rug pull. You know, I like tokens that we can clearly see, that we can clearly be confident in them out the gate. One thing I wish that we could have seen, is the team behind this. Y'all know I always like to bring that up because, it just gives us a little more confidence, as well as being able to hold someone accountable, via social media, whatever it is, whatever way we can reach out to them, or just knowing, who it is that we're entrusting our money with. I believe that's a very big feature, to have. So I would say to add that. Also, if I had to add on anything, I would say there should definitely be more social media badges up here at the top. We shouldn't have to scroll through to find the social media, because you want to be able, this is for the team. If y'all connected in the team, make sure y'all share this. Also, if you rocking with me, tag Bernard.Finance, tag them on Twitter, as well as tag me and share it. Just do that. I'll see who rocking with me. You know what I'm saying? So they should have these social media badges up here so we can see the size of the community, or just the social currency that they have already built up. If we see a Twitter, a Facebook, an Instagram, a Reddit, a YouTube, we can already assume that they're already putting a lot of, boots on the ground as far as outreach goes. So we have a Telegram here. We should see more than this. At least they have that. Okay, so the Twitter is down here at the bottom. Let's pull that up. It should be at the top. So we'll get the white paper downloaded as well. We'll check that out and see what we can do. I don't want to make this video too long, because for a lot of y'all know that I'm still having Wi-Fi issues, and I don't want to risk not being able to upload the video because it's too long. So here's the roadmap. We need to definitely update this roadmap. June 21st, pre-sale started. June 5th, the launch. August 1st, 2021 is when the buyback starts and vesting unlocks. So they're building something, y'all. It sounds very interesting. I would like to see a lot more, goals and milestones, but we already know about this token from Bernard.Finance, so that's why I'm a little more comfortable with it. If this was just a random token, I probably would be, on the sideline, but I like those tokenomics behind it. I like the way, the protocol goes. So Barrel's key features, continuous growth, thanks to several burn options. Hold on, let me open that up in a side tab. Okay. So thanks to several burn options, Barrel is deflationary and its value will increase on each transaction. Liquidity is locked. To gain trust, the liquidity pool will be locked on day one to prevent any risk of rug pull. Multi-layered marketing wallet will be used to promote knowledge about the project among the crypto community. This will help build the next steps of the Bernard.Finance ecosystem. Ownership. For trust and honesty reasons, we will renounce the ownership of the smart contract the very day of the release. Come on now, what more can we ask for? Besides the team actually doxing, and letting us see, who's behind it. HODL to win. So 60% of each transaction will buy Barrel. That's fire, y'all. So not only on the sell end, but on the buy end as well. 50% of algo gains will buy back Barrel. That's fire, y'all. So not only do we have 120% basically on the buy and sell added up, another 50% from the algo gains are buying it, and those will be burned. All the buyback tokens will be burned. So just to clarify that. Exclusivity. So Barrel holders will be the first to know about the next Bernard.Finance projects and will be incentivized to participate in pre-sales. So, they're trying to get the community involved. I appreciate that. We got, I want to pull the Telegram up just to check out the community. So as y'all can see, they're very active in here already. Okay, so yeah, I'm just scrolling through the Telegram on my phone, just looking, but we can see here they got, so you see the community is excited about the project. You know, they definitely have people here supporting it, dropping the memes, being active, and that's a very big important thing. One thing I like already seeing in the community on Telegram, they already have their stickers made. When y'all see that the token already has things like this made already, that means people care about it. People took the initiative to, you know, go a little bit above and beyond to, you know, get involved with this project. So everyone is suffering. Let burn bring you rich. Hold can see hope. So shining a light on you. Bernard decided to open his barrel from time to time during the barrel openings. This will pour some tokens on the ground. Lost forever. A sacrifice. So, you know, let the value go up. Continue to hodl. You remember, this is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence. Remember, this is crypto. You know, very volatile. We could be seeing 60 to 80% dips. So do not come crying to me. You know, always do your own due diligence. Never risk more than you're willing to lose. That just would not be smart. So as you can see, the community is very active. They got, you know, all types of different memes. You know, just this alone, you know, gets me excited about the project in the future. It's still fairly new, especially in, you know, in crypto time for beginners. It can seem like a long time, but it's still fairly new. Look at this. The community already has stickers made on their laptop with QR codes. Come on now, y'all. Y'all know this is about to be big. I didn't even see this. That just got, I'm going to add a little, you know what I'm saying? It's not financial advice, but I would be getting some if I were you. You know, just being honest. So come check out the Telegram. It's burn $barrel Bernard.Finance --official chat. There's a space between and before and after the dash. So come in here, check it out. Come to the website, you'll be able to find it. Look at it, man. They on top of things in here, man. I like to see an active community. Remember, I tell you, these communities can make or break the tokens. So that's that. Let's see. So we got to the bottom of that. So here we have the light paper. So the table of contents, we got the introduction. What is Barrel? By Bernard.Finance. Barrel token utility, ecosystem synergy, pre-sale tokenomics, key to success. So we'll go through this quickly. If you want to come here, just check it out. So Bernard.Finance was born around the idea holding an asset does not have to be a long paying road checking charts and hoping for FOMO to step in. It must be rewarding. Even for our first fun meme project, Burn launch was a great success, but we had to keep working to add our second pillar to make the system efficient. We have no other way to inject fresh capital, and we will find it on the markets, beating the system to its own game. I like that a lot, y'all. That's where that trading bot steps in. So we are so thrilled to introduce you to Barrel and the Bernard.Finance ecosystem. So pump economics, Barrel's unique pump economics will apply a sell tax to reward holders with an integrated buyback system. This is like some of the tokens like Everrise and things like that, those tokenomics. This is an extremely powerful system. Sellers apply a buying pressure. So when sellers go to sell, they also in turn, you know, create more buys. So what is Barrel by Bernard.Finance? Barrel is the second project currently being developed by Bernard.Finance in the Bernard.Finance ecosystem. Barrel is a decentralized finance project backed by quantitative algorithmic trading on BTC/USD, spot pair on FTX exchange. Algorithmic trading bot executes orders utilizing automated and pre-programmed trading instructions to account for variables such as price, timing, and volume. Instead of others that failed to go through highly volatile periods, black swan events, or high funding rate periods, Barrel algorithmic trading bot is not subject to those potential risks due to the nature of the algorithm itself. So we wanted a solution that will perform either in bull or bear markets. We have no idea whether the crypto market is going, and we want to be efficient whatever happens. So what is Barrel by Bernard.Finance? Barrel by Bernard.Finance is partnered with an existing project with extensive and successful track record. That's the Ganymede token. So Ganny beta tested their trading algorithm for more than 6 months with an exceptional record-proof average of returns of 50% on a period of 120 days. So track records available on their website. So you can go here. I like that they're being transparent with that, and they have that available to cite their claim. Bernard.Finance and Ganymede worked extensively together to build a custom algorithmic trading. Shout out to everybody who's reaching out to the channel, man. I appreciate y'all. We hit 10,000 subscribers, man. It's crazy. Hit that thumbs up, like button on this video for the YouTube algorithm. You know, the channel took a little ding because I took, you know, a couple days to, you know, try to get this Wi-Fi situation sorted while there was an outage. But, you know, we finna go back harder than ever, y'all. So be prepared. Bernard.Finance. Okay, so safe liquidity. Okay, so we read all this already. So here are some of the, don't this look, what this look like to y'all? I'll pause for 1 second. What this look familiar? What does this remind you of right here? I was just going to say it, man. shibaswap. So Barrel is a BEP20 utility token that will allow you to get exposure to decentralized finance and quantitative algorithmic trading, usually reserved to professionals. Price growth will be sustained by the buyback program and the compound interest provided by the algorithmic trading account. Bernard.Finance will use the daily generated profits by the trading algorithm account on the FTX to turbocharge the ecosystem through our buyback program. That's crazy. 50% every day. Every day, y'all. Tokens will be being burned. This is wild. So we got tokens being burned. This is crazy, y'all. This is wild. So I didn't, you know, this is my first time reading the white paper. I already understood, you know, what it did for the most part, but this is just getting some more clarity on it. I like to leave a little bit of something for the video, so it's, you know, more genuine. Y'all can get an honest, you know, honest gauge of how I feel about the project is what I'm trying to say. So at Barrel launch, the algorithmic trading bot will start working. We will give the account 30 days to grow with the compounding effect, and then start the buyback with day one profits, etc., etc. So we are always ahead of time. Wow. Wow, this is going to be crazy. So we got the burn token here. It rewards tokens for holding. You get a 50% burn, 50% buyback of Barrel. Okay, so yeah, Barrel is about to go through the roof, y'all. This is not financial advice, but we have burn buying back Barrel. We got Barrel buying back Barrel. Y'all better wake up, man. So there's a 5% tax on the burn side here, 5% tax that goes to the burn holders, 30% buyback on from the FTX account profits. Then we get a 5% buyback from the Ganny. This is gonna be crazy. I still haven't even looked into the Ganny one with a 15% auto compound. That's wild, y'all. Every single buyback in Bernard.Finance ecosystem will be burned right after. That's wild. So reward tokens generated by Burn smart contract on team wallets. Okay, so they basically are transparent, letting you know where everything is. I'm liking this a lot. Definitely, you want to come through here and look at it yourself, get a, you know, a better understanding if you need one, just to read it a few times. So Barrel token utility generated profits will be used to buy back 50% of Barrel tokens on pancakeswap, then burn 30% of burn tokens on pancakeswap, then burn 15% compound interest that will remain on FTX. So 5% Ganny tokens on pancakeswap. Y'all, this is just wild, man. There's so much going on right now. So the buyback program, we got burn 30%, 15% interest, 5% of Ganny, and then 50% of Barrel. That's a lot. That's about 85% being bought back, and then the other 15% is interest. Oh my God, they snapped with this, y'all. They just gave us 100% of the pie. They just figured out how to give us a nice full 100%. That was, I like how the team did that. That was nice right there. I like that. Y'all did your thing right there. To make sure y'all tagged them in this video, man. Barrel smart contract applies a 10% tax on every selling transaction. Marketing. Also, we cannot prevent short-term speculation, but we can reduce it with a unique pump economics tax on sales only. I like it. Buyback 60% of the tax. So we went to this, but it will be sent to our buyback wallet that will automatically re-inject speculators' money into Barrel. Marketing 40% of the tax will be sent to our marketing wallet to promote Bernard.Finance ecosystem. Again, sellers' money will pay for more promotion and reward holders. Come on, y'all. Connect the dots. We will renounce to Barrel ownership smart contract right after launch, and the liquidity pool will be locked. So ecosystem synergy. Barrel is part of the Bernard.Finance ecosystem. 50% of Bern's special tax rewards collected on team wallets will be used to buy. That's fire, y'all. That is fire. So catch that. Barrel is part of the Bernard.Finance ecosystem. 50% of Bern's special tax rewards collected on team wallets will be used to buy back Barrel. That's going to be fire. Hey, shout out to everybody reaching out to the channel, man. I appreciate y'all. Keep dropping those comments, man. Hey, we have an update from Genius Coin. It's coming very soon. Don't worry, y'all. You know what I'm saying? Y'all will get more information on that tomorrow. Also, be expecting a lot of information coming from this Barrel token. I like this project. You know what I'm saying? I really like this one a lot. I like the thought they put into it. I feel that they put... Y'all know my favorite parts are the roadmaps and the tokenomics. They didn't have too much for me right there on the roadmap, but you know, I like what I seen with Burn token, so I have faith in this token. Y'all that got in when I first called Burn token should be up 5x at least minimum. Y'all know we knocked that out the park. I know a lot of y'all got in later, you know, and you know, seeing my video probably, you know, I gained a few thousand subscribers. Y'all probably seen that then, but just hold tight. You know, that's the markets. You know, things go up, things go down, but you know, things come back around, you know, so stand, you know, hold tight, man. Don't get tricked out of your spot. So tokens bought will be burn buybacks from algo profits will have a great implementation with the burn special tax, as it will increase transaction and thus rewards in burns. So every single buyback trigger in the Bernard.Finance ecosystem will be burned. It is extremely powerful. It is an extremely powerful incentive that applies a buying pressure on assets and then decrease the supply in the same move. Fire strategy, y'all. So here's some of the pre-sale tokenomics. We're not going to go into that too much. So maybe I should just let y'all know that. So 6 months, the people that got in on that, they have to have their money locked in there for 6 months. They get a bi-weekly monthly release every other 2 weeks starting at launch, month 1. So each person was limited to $10,000 worth until they raised their goal, which obviously they hit that. So yeah, this is it again. This is it. We read all this all over. Okay, let's check this out. So the keys to successful. So y'all that want to know how to successfully trade this or how to successfully invest in this. So in its essence, Barrel is designed for success as a first-hand cornerstone of the decentralized finance system of Bernard.Finance, relying on proven technology from Ganymede and implementing a virtuous buyback program and the unique pump economics. We send a strong message to our community, which is strongly incentivized to hold Barrel to have exposure to a reliable trading algorithm while benefiting from the thriving ecosystem of Bernard.Finance. On the other hand, our tokenomics is built to keep Barrel and Burn price on an uptrend. Any users holding their tokens long enough will make money. Hey, that's in bold. They got that, you know, that's a different color. They got that one so it stands out so you understand they serious. Connect the dots, man. Either via FTX, automated trading, or just because they will sell their token higher than what they bought them for. So, you know what I'm saying? It's pretty much... from what they're saying is you're going to make money for sure. So as opposed to a Ponzi scheme where the money comes from a new flow of users, here the money comes from outside the community, beating the winners at their own game using decentralized finance against them. Wow, that's where that trading bot comes in. This is going to be crazy, y'all. I have not seen anything like this. I'm telling you, out of all the tokens I done reviewed hundreds and hundreds of tokens. I haven't seen this. You know, I mean, it could be one that slipped through the crack. You know, I cannot review every single token. There's thousands of tokens that come out every single day, or at least multiple hundreds. But I haven't seen anything like this. It's very interesting. Let's check out this Ganymede real quick. Just real quick, because I don't want to turn this into a whole nother review. But I'm just interested in seeing what this website looks like. So we provide automatic trading services on FTX. No fees, just hold Ganny to use our service. Oh, that sounds nice. That sounds nice, y'all. That sounds nice. So if y'all want to check that out, do so. Check the Twitter here. Bernard.Finance. So at Bernard.Finance at 2,926 followers. Come follow them. Let them know how y'all found out about them, man. Let them know that DecemberDeMarco sent you. You know, you rocking with the GOAT. let's check it out. So just retweeting the Telegram link. Last night we burned, I like how they're being transparent. So that we burned 4,210 barrel. We had some extra supply due to updated bonus levels. This is 20K worth of tokens burned. Ooh, I like that, y'all. That's increasing the value. So Bernard wanted to celebrate and support our algo trading bot by changing his suit. He's now a doggo bot. So they're getting the branding and the marketing in alliance with the actual token, which is important. So come check this out if y'all want to check them out. Make sure you let them know how you found out about them. Also, right here, follow them at Bernard.Finance on Instagram. Let's check it out. So I like that they're posting the results from their trading bot. I would like to see more meme-related content, but in alignment with the brand. So we should have the brand colors throughout, all these different posts. It should be the black, the color of the dog. The colors that are here should be in all these different posts. So that way everything flows. A lot of people pay attention to it. Trust me, it might not seem that important right now, but a Fortune 500 marketer is telling you it's very important. So because already we have this logo is excellent. Whoever did the graphic work on this, they snap y'all. So we got something good to work with already. We just have to make sure, the content we create around it helps push it as far as possible. So let's also get some barrel going as well. Some more barrel memes. But that's pretty much it. I showed you the Telegram. We got that. So let's take a look at the chart real quick. Look at the price. Very low. Very low right now. Look at this. It was up to here at one point. Right now, you can come snatch them up for $4.38. That's basically $1 off from where it was just at. So you catch this dip here, that would be the wise thing to do. You don't have to do it. This is not financial advice, but I would not buy at the top. If you want to buy at the top, that's up to you. Do whatever you want, but you know what I'm saying? This one's looking nice, man. It's looking like we're gonna be going up. So that's all we got for this video. Appreciate y'all for rocking with me. Also, let me see. I gotta hit y'all with our book of the day, man. I can't not do any book of the day. So this book is The Corporate Coach by James B. Miller with Paul B. Brown. So how to build a team of loyal customers and happy employees. So here's that book right here. It's available on Amazon. Also, my book is available on Amazon right now. Check that out. Also, check out my crypto course. You can tap in with me. Email DecemberDeMarco@gmail.com. Get in touch with me, man. Join the Facebook group, Private Stock Market Game. Trust me, you do not want to miss it. Follow me on Twitter at DecemberDeMarco. Follow me on Instagram at DecemberDeMarco. Also, do not forget to follow Bernard.Finance. Appreciate y'all, man, again, and we are out.